Hey yo guys, Marlon King here, and I just recently sold my Sony A6500 and bought the 6400. Maybe a little bit controversial, maybe a little bit expected, who knows, but I just wanted to say I have noticed one thing with it, and that is the buffer speed seems to be a lot slower. Now I understood when I was buying it that the buffer was less, as in, you know, if you're taking loads of shots in a row, it's not going to be able to do as many. But this definitely seems to be a speed thing. I notice quite regularly when I take photos, even like a single photo, there seems to be a little bit of a buffer going on and it will display it on the screen. Look up here. Now, I just had a situation where I took a photo, and I usually have, you know, preview the photo turned off. So, you know, I took the photo and I quickly pressed play to see what the photo did. And I don't know whether the buffer was still going, but it mucked up the buffer, and then it kind of corrupted the image library on the SD card. So then the camera couldn't display any of my photos. And of course I was thinking the worst, like, oh, you know, I potentially lost all my photos and videos on there, so I had to quickly evacuate, take all of the photos and video off. Thankfully, nothing was lost, but I just thought I'd give you this piece of information. I guess you use it as you will, but just so you know that the camera does operate just a dash slower than the 6500, and maybe if you are into burst photography, maybe the 6600 is the way to go. If I go buffer here, you can see how long that's taken to process. Of course, if I put it on high, this is how long it takes. Definitely loving the flip screen and all of the improvements on the 6400 over the 6500. I've definitely started using the camera more than I was previously, so it's facilitated what I wanted. However, you know, I also want to give you an update as they come, you know, as they come along, right? I don't want to leave it 12 months and then try and remember everything. This just happened, so I'm telling you straight away. There we go. That's my quick update of the day. And on that note, hope you have a good one. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Take it easy. Peace.